আরজিকর কাণ্ড নিয়ে স্বতঃপ্রণোদিত হয়ে মামলা গ্রহণ করে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট। এই মামলায় 20 আগস্ট শুনানিতে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট কার্যত রাজ্যকে তীব্র ভর্ৎসনা করে। সুপ্রিম কোর্টের প্রধান বিচারপতি ডিওয়াই চন্দ্রচূড় বলেন, সকালে হাসপাতালে দেহ উদ্ধার হলো, এরপর সেদিনই রাত 8:30 নাগাদ শেষকৃত্য সম্পন্ন হলো। তারও 3 ঘন্টা পর FIR দায়ের হলো। এত বড় একটা ঘটনা, যেখানে হাসপাতালের ভেতরে একজন মহিলা ডাক্তারকে এভাবে খুন করা হলো, সেখানে FIR দায়ের করতে এত দেরি হলো কেন? এদিন প্রধান বিচারপতি প্রশ্ন তোলেন আরজিকর হাসপাতালের সদ্য প্রাক্তন অধ্যক্ষ সন্দীপ ঘোষের ভূমিকা নিয়েও। এদিন প্রধান বিচারপতি প্রশ্ন তোলেন আরজিকর হাসপাতালের সদ্য প্রাক্তন অধ্যক্ষ সন্দীপ ঘোষের ভূমিকা নিয়ে। প্রধান বিচারপতি বলেন, একজন অধ্যক্ষ ইস্তফা দেওয়ার পরই আরেকটি হাসপাতালের অধ্যক্ষ পদে নিয়োগ পেয়ে গেলেন, এটা কি করে হলো? এমনকি এই ঘটনা FIR দায়ের করার ক্ষেত্রেও দেরি হয়েছিল বলে প্রশ্ন তোলেন তিনি। কি বলছেন প্রধান বিচারপতি ডিওয়াই চন্দ্রচূড়, শোনাবো।
Until late night, we find that no FIR was registered.
That's also not correct. Not correct.
What time was the FIR registered?
Malaj, in fact, we did what is called what we call a UD case, Malaj.
UD case.
Unnatural death case registered.
Yes, unnatural death case.
Registered.
But
Immediately.
that's right.
That's an FIR, Malaj. That's an FIR.
Not the body is discovered.
The UD case the FIR registered formally in the police.
Malaj, inquest was done and then FIR registered immediately and the investigation started.
What time
It should have been done.
the FIR registered?
12, Malaj. 12:30.
Does the FIR say that this is a case of a murder?
No.
Yes.
No,
No, my lord, we
unnatural death. It was
we have something
Unnatural death.
One second.
Inquest shows it's a case of murder,
One
Malaj.
second.
Inquest shows it's a case of murder.
Inquest is done. The postmortem is, the autopsy is conducted.
Yes.
yes.
Now, until the night, no FIR indicating that this is a clear case of a murder has been made out. Well, after the principal resigns from this medical college,
He sent to another
he's appointed as a principal of another college.
He doesn't resign. But anyway, be that Malaj,
His conduct, at the least, his conduct is under scrutiny, and he's appointed as a principal somewhere else.
Lord, this is all, we have a note on all this missing.
Lord, it's not for each other, there's a high court order.
Couple of things from what we have. Of course, first, let me begin by saying that we are deeply concerned of the fact that the name of the deceased who was assaulted and murdered, the name has been published all over the media. Photographs have been
Yes.
published all over the media.
Correct.
Video clips, obviously, either before or after the postmortem, have been published.
Right.
Showing her body, after she was subjected to it. It's extremely concerning. We are the first to recognize the right to free speech, but there are well-settled
It
parameters
is extremely painful. I agree entirely with you.
which have been laid down in now the new criminal procedure code.
Yeah.
By judgments of our court in Nipun Saxena, that we will not publish the names of the survivors of court. In this case, the
It's
person
a criminal offense.
We have filed 50 FIRs on that count. 50 FIRs.
And it was circulated, nobody should publish.
Well, may I just inform your lordships, before the police reached, photos were taken and these were circulated. We didn't allow anything to happen. We cordoned off the area.
This is the way we provide dignity and
That's
respect
terrible.
the privacy
It's terrible.
of an individual who has lost her life as a young doctor.
Yes.
But apart from that, Ms. Isabel, I'm happy that you are here for the state of West Bengal. Couple of important, quite a few aspects of the way the matter proceeded. It appears that the crime was detected in the early hours of the morning.
Yes.
No, in the
After the crime was detected in the early hours of the morning, the principal of the hospital tries to pass this off as
Not true. Not true. Not
her
true.
parents are not allowed to see the body. The parents are not allowed to see the body for almost.
No, Malaj, I'm sorry. Anyway, Malaj, this is
Not
the
that
impression.
our investigation also corrupt.
We'll have to place the facts before your lordships. We have investigated that.
By the High
This is not correct.
So,
Let us read the order.
আরজিকর হাসপাতালে কর্তব্যরত তরুণীর ডাক্তারকে শারীরিক নির্যাতন করে খুনের ঘটনার উদ্বেগ প্রকাশ করেছে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট। এই ঘটনাকে নিয়ে ইতিমধ্যে স্বতঃপ্রণোদিত মামলা গ্রহণ করেছে শীর্ষ আদালত। মঙ্গলবার এই মামলার শুনানি চলাকালীন সুপ্রিম কোর্ট আরজিকরের ঘটনা নিয়ে যে কোনো শান্তিপূর্ণ প্রতিবাদে রাজ্য সরকার যাতে ক্ষমতা প্রদর্শন না করে সেই বার্তা দিলেন সুপ্রিম কোর্টের প্রধান বিচারপতি ডিওয়াই চন্দ্রচূড়। সুপ্রিম কোর্ট বলেছে ডাক্তার হোক কিংবা সুশীল সমাজ, কারো ওপরেই যেন রাজ্যের ক্ষমতা চাপানো না হয়। কি বলেছেন শোনাবো।
For one thing, Mr. Sibal, we are very, very concerned. Let not the power of the state of West Bengal be unleashed on peaceful protesters.
Well, we have videos of all that happened.
People, whether they are doctors, civil society, lawyers, people who are protesting, so long as there is no act of destruction of.
We have videos. We agree.
Let there not be the power of the state unleashed
Agree.
on peaceful protest.
Well, I agree, and that has not happened. One second, we have videos which we will place before your lordship. And well, what happens is, political parties get into the act, and this is what happens.
People who are taking to the media to communicate their views.
Yes.
Let us deal with them with a great deal of.
I agree, I
It's a time of national catharsis. The doctors are on protest. A group of persons, a mob assembles at the hospital. The hospital is invaded and the critical facilities are damaged in the morning or whenever the mob enters. What was the police doing?
Yes. Well, we have videos for all. Let me first of all state.
Surely, Mr. Sibal, the police,
Well,
a very serious offense has taken place. The crime scene is within the precincts of the hospital. Now, that is the first thing that the police have to do, namely to protect the crime scene. What are they doing?
Well, that's.
We allow vandals to enter the hospital. We would want the investigation has been handed over to the
CBI.
Bureau of Investigation.
Yes, done, yes,
We want CBI to file a status report before this court on Thursday.
correct.
We will take up the case on Thursday. We want CBI to apprise us on the status of the investigation.
Correct.
The investigation obviously must be at a very sensitive stage so that it's something which should be submitted to the court.
For court's consumption, not
Something that
for
should
the
be case
making
died.
it public.
It's really an investigation update
Yes,
status
yes.
report which will be given to us on Thursday. We will consider the status report on Thursday morning and see
Fair.
where the investigation is proceeding. Today, what we intend to do is that today we intend to pass an order. What we have done is, and three of us, that's why we were in conversation with each other. We have discussed the pros and cons. We are setting up under the authority of this court a national task force. The national task force will consist of a diverse segment of doctors from different parts of the country. We want them to make us recommendations in regard to the particular.
আরো আপডেট পেতে দেখতে থাকুন আজ তাক বাংলার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।